really exciting to meet different learning providers and different ways that we could be learning, teaching with our learners. So it's been really positive.
Massively important. I think like we've never really done many schools in Wales, so I came across this. I was originally trying to sort of break into kind of Wrexham area, and then I came across this conference. It seemed really, really good value for the amount of delegates who were going to be here.
I've been to the Cardiff version of the National Education Show, and that was amazing as well. So it's really nice to see the difference between the two.
Education show is very important to us. We're a part of a rolling programme. I've got 8 events that I'm actually doing in the next 3 months.
A mae yna jyst bwrlwm gwirioneddol, gymaint o wynebau cyfarwydd, y iaith Gymraeg yn fyw ac yn gref yma, a mae jyst yn wych bod yma.
Absolutely, we'll be rebooking before the end of the show, so yeah, definitely recommend it.
Lots of delegates coming and talking and expressing interest in our product, so it's been great.
The seminars and speakers have been absolutely incredible, and actually getting the voice of people, and what they're telling me is that they really enjoyed the show.
Just really great. Like, I can't fault the team at all, and I would definitely recommend it.